Yo, have you seen those crazy action figure AI images all over your feed lately? Yeah, the ones that look like they're straight out of a toy store shelf. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own without spending a single cent. We're talking AI magic, and we're doing it with ChatGPT. Free account, no hacks, no hidden paywalls. Let's dive in. What's up, legends? It's Nissam, coming at you from the setup. If you've never used AI before, this might be your best intro. I'm going to walk you through how to turn a regular photo of yourself into a dope collectible style action figure image. Blister packaging, accessories, the whole vibe. And the best part, no design skills needed. Just your face, a browser, and ChatGPT. You can 100% do this on your phone, but I'm on my laptop, so I'll show you from here. First step, pop open ChatGPT. I'm using a free account, so you're going to see exactly what you'll see on your side. Now grab a picture of yourself. It can be fresh or one you already have. Then hit that little plus icon, upload the photo, boom, you're in. Next up, the prompt. This is where the magic happens. You're basically giving ChatGPT your vision, like, yo, turn me into an action figure. Here's the exact prompt I used for my Nissam figure. A toy-style action figure packaging mock-up featuring Nissam standing with arms down, wearing a gray t-shirt, black jeans, and white shoes. The figure is enclosed in blister packaging, accompanied by accessories including an Android smartphone, gaming controller, laptop, smartwatch, AI-themed trophy, black hat, and camera lens. The background is orange with clean lighting. The packaging features bold black header text displaying Nissam and a price tag of $99.99, professionally styled like collectible packaging. You can steal that prompt or remix it. Want to be a ninja, an astronaut, or a gamer with a lightsaber? Say it. ChatGPT listens. After you drop your image in the prompt, hit submit. Now, don't panic. It might take a minute or two, sometimes 20 seconds, sometimes 3 minutes. Depends if the AI is caffeinated or not. Once it's done, boom, you've got yourself a digital toy box version of you. Look at the results. Packaging, accessories, pose, it's amazing. If something's off, like maybe the face looks older, or you want to add a new item like a drone or skateboard, just tell ChatGPT. Literally say, make the figure look 10 years younger and add a drone. That's it. Speak to it like you're texting your designer. It gets you. It'll re-render your image, tweak what needs tweaking, and keep the rest intact, like the colors, packaging style, layout, all that stays locked in unless you tell it otherwise. This is what makes AI so powerful. You're not stuck with one version. You can tune it. It's like being the creative director of your own action figure line. So now you've got your toy version of yourself. What's next? Post it on socials, make it your profile pic, frame it if you're bold, or just flex it to your friends like, hey, this is what greatness looks like. And yeah, you did all this using a free ChatGPT account. No subscriptions, no Photoshop headaches. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Drop a comment if you nailed it. If not, tell me what went wrong and I'll help you troubleshoot. And if you're into this kind of tech meets creativity stuff, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning. I've got wild things coming. Catch you in the next one. I'm Nissam. Peace.